Welcome to the video knowledge channel. My name is Rory. Today we're going to do a 3D text effect that's going to go along with our boat. So we have our video clip here in our timeline in the edit page. We're going to hop over into the Fusion page. We have a media out and our media in. We're going to highlight media in. We're going to hit Shift Spacebar. And we want a camera tracker. Type in camera tracker. You're going to add the camera tracker. We're going to highlight on it. We're going to check this box, preview auto track locations and bidirectional tracking. Check both of those boxes. The threshold, direction threshold, we're going to make that 2.25. Then we're going to track the video, so click on Auto Track. It's going to track the video. Now it's done tracking. So we're going to come up here and we're going to go to the Solve tab. The maximum track error, right here in the middle. We're going to make that 0.11. Then we're going to click on this Solve. And that'll take a minute, depending on the length of your clip and the speed of the computer. It's done. So now what we're going to do, we're going to go to the Export tab. We're going to click on 3D Scene Transform. We're going to expand that. We're going to click on Unaligned. And now you're just simply going to draw a box where you want your text to be. You're going to click on Set from Selection, and you're going to click back to Aligned. Then we're going to click Export, and it's going to make us some nodes. So if you arrange them like this, highlight those top three, move them up here. There's a point cloud and a ground plane. A lot of times a point cloud might be hiding under your media 1. We're going to delete that, the point cloud, and we're going to delete the ground plane with your backspace. So we have the camera tracker. We're going to kind of put that in the middle. We're going to disconnect it from both media nodes. We're going to connect this camera tracker to the end of media 1. That's going to make a merge node. We're going to connect that merge to media out. Then we're going to come up here and select the 3D text node. And you can write whatever you want in here. I'll put sailing. So then we're going to connect our 3D text node to this merge node. And I'm going to bring the size of that down some. It's kind of big. We're going to go back to our Edit tab and we're going to play that video. And there you have it. Nothing to it. Nothing couldn't be easier. That's it for this video. If you learned anything, please like and subscribe. We'll see you in the next video.